Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to deactivate Instagram account without waiting for a week. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Instagram app and open your profile and tap on this three line icon to the upper right hand corner and tap on settings, tap on help and tap on help center and search here delete my account and tap on delete my account. Tap on delete your Instagram account, scroll down and here you'll find this option instagram.com from a mobile browser or computer. So tap on this option and tap on delete your account. Why do you want to delete your account? You want to select a reason here. To deactivate your Instagram account, re-enter your Instagram account password here and after that tap on delete and your account will be deactivated. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.